So I'm Raja. I'm here from Democracy Dialogue. हम आज एक नया सेगमेंट इंट्रोड्यूस करने जा रहे हैं, We the People. We the People लोगों की ट्रू पावर है. It is that real power जो इलेक्शंस के टाइम पे ना एक्टिवेट हो जाती है. We the people of India. We promise to ourselves what we aim to make India. We're standing in Chandigarh. यहाँ पे a few months back democracy got murdered. चंडीगढ़ शहर इंडिया का फर्स्ट डेवलप्ड सिटी, नेहरू के सपनों का शहर, यहाँ पे डेमोक्रेसी का मर्डर हुआ. यहाँ पे डेमोक्रेसी की अर्थी उठी. यहाँ पे डेमोक्रेसी को क्रिमेट किया गया. ऑल इन द व्यू ऑफ द पब्लिक. द होल country and indeed the whole world was watching. I think the employment opportunities here are absolutely shit.
Government schools in Chandigarh are better than, any day better than a private school somewhere in UP, Bihar, even for that sake Delhi.
Sad that infrastructure level पे कोई काम नहीं हो रहा, opportunities create करने पे, placements पे, वहाँ तो कोई ध्यान ही नहीं है. I think these leaders have been so out of touch with the realities of young India.
We the people.
We're going to save democracy in 40 days.
We the people.
We can be the leaders.
We are just 3.5 years short of becoming an 80-year-old democracy.
We the people. There is nothing above the interest of the people. There is no such concept as the interest of a nation in front of the interest of the people. The people are always supreme in a democracy. We the people. It's the fuel that runs this machine. I think kahin na kahin we're into this phase of hero worship that one person is somehow going to save it all. It's more of a personality cult politics that's going on. You have to sit in the opposition at times. It's part of a healthy democracy. There is no concept of a ruling party.
Is it written in the constitution?
It's not written in the constitution. There's no such thing as a ruling party. हम किसी और ही रास्ते पे निकल गए हैं कि जी एक बंदे को जिता दो, अच्छे दिन आ जाएंगे.
We had such huge hopes.
People you would otherwise see roaming around the markets, you'd meet them in sector 9 or 17 or sector 8 somewhere having coffee something. वो लोग अब सारे someone moved to Canada, someone's gone to Australia, even from Chandigarh. गेडी कल्चर है हमारा, इनने तो बाहर कर दिया भाई. इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में जो रेट चल रहे हैं इतने सालों से, आज के टाइम पे आई थिंक एवरीवनस अवेयर आल्सो कि भाई इतना बड़ा जुमला कर गए. इट इज़ हार्ड टू डू अ गेडी इन दिस सिटी दीस डेज. आज चंडीगढ़ का जो यूथ है, स्टूडेंट है, इट इज़ वेरी हार्ड टू बी अ स्टूडेंट दीस डेज मैन. शिट इज़ वे एक्सपेंसिव. मतलब वो इन्फ्लेशन एक्चुअल में स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा हिट कर रही है. हाउस होल्ड्स को तो कर रही है, बट स्टूडेंट्स को जो हिट किया है ना, एंड देयर लाइफस्टाइल, आई फील ऑल दीज Splitwise and all these up, these guys are fighting over 30-40 rupees यार. ये शहर बेसिकली ओपन स्पेसेस बनाई इस थॉट प्रोसेस से ये थी कि ideas will come to life in this city. Chandigarh will create those ideas, those movies and all those things. Chandigarh is that small city जहाँ पे एक्चुअल के अंदर आपने देश के अंदर कुछ भी करना है, you come to the city, you give it a try, you do it. हमारे सामने ये चीज़ें हो रही हैं. मतलब it's pretty clear that intention is just making a quick buck here. It is a sad state of affairs. For the past 10 years, I think it's been more of a circus going on. Like, no one really cares about the work being done. We're going to say, we the people are going to save democracy in 40 days. Chandigarh, we're coming for you.